Hello. In this video, Wocci watch bands will show you how to install a watch band at home without spending money to the jewelry store. All you need is a spring bar removal tool, 2 fitting spring bars and a roll of tape. Step 1. Remove the old watch band. First, tape the watch dial and put a soft cloth on the table to avoid damaging the watch during the installation. Then, place the watch face down. Gently press the pin inwards the strap, and guide the pin to turn out from the hole of lug. Repeat the previous steps for the other side to remove the original band. Step 2. Install the new band. Your new band may come with its own spring bars. Make sure these can fit your watch at firstly. Take a spring bar, thread it into the new watch band. Then, put a bottom end of a spring bar into a pinhole. Use the tool to compress the other end of spring bar and slide it into the opposite pinhole. Repeat the previous steps for the other side to install the new band. Finally, make sure the band is securely placed on watch, and not likely to fall off. Now, your watch band has been assembled well on your watch.